Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make elderberry syrup using a really simple process. I bought this Noelle's Natural syrup making kit on Amazon, and it's got everything in this package. It's got elderberries, clove, cinnamon, and ginger, and dehydrated, all packaged together. So if you're just looking to try it, this is a really easy way to do it and much cheaper than buying it at the store. So you'll need this kit, some honey. I bought a local wildflower honey, and 2.5 cups of filtered water. So we'll get started with the first step. Okay, so the first step is getting your 2.5 cups of filtered water, and we're going to start boiling this with the ingredients in there. I'm going to turn on this, and then you can just add in your kit just directly in that water. A few more elderberries at the bottom here. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to let this boil, and once it reaches a boil, I'm going to start simmering it, and it says, the directions say you're supposed to simmer until the liquid is about half of what went in there. So we'll be back in just a minute. We've gotten this to a rolling boil, so I'm actually going to reduce the heat now to low. And I need to reduce this mixture and leave it covered. The directions say to reduce by half, so I actually just took a toothpick and measured how far down the liquid was at the beginning. So I'll come back when it's reduced by half, and I'll show you the next steps. Okay, so this has finished reducing, and it took about 45 minutes to fully reduce. This is where we started. This is where I'm ending. So now I just need to pull this off the heat. I'm going to let it cool down, and then all we have to do is add in the honey after I strain it. So I'm going to let it cool down, and I'll be back. Alright, the mixture is cooled down, so I'm going to go ahead and strain out everything, and then we'll mix this in with the honey. I did put on an apron because this stuff is really dark. I don't want it to get on my clothes. Let's see here. Okay, and then get this last little bit in here. And you do want to go ahead and kind of push down on your leftover berries so you get as much juice as possible out of your mixture. So I'm just going to push that in to get the most out of it, and then we'll mix in the honey, and that's really about it. Alright. That's looking good. Okay, so then we'll go ahead. You're going to want to use a cup of honey. And I'm going to go ahead and mix this together and then pour it in my jar. So you just want to scrape all that out. So this ended up making quite a bit actually. Okay, so you scrape that in. This is just so much more economical than the store. The store version, you only get 4 ounces, and I think it's $10. So this, you're going to get a lot more for your money. So I'm just going to mix this until it's a good consistency. So a good measurement for this is taking, about a tablespoon. You can either use it as a preventative, or like if your kid has a cough, you can give it to them as a cough syrup. And mix this a little bit more. Okay, we'll see if this jar will hold it all. I'm going to go ahead and pour it in here. There we go. That's a pretty good amount there. I think this holds 2 cups, so that's nearly 2 cups there. So anyway, that's all you really have to do. So I'll put the link in the description for the Noelle's Naturals organic syrup pack. It was about $20, and then all you'll need is honey and water, and you can make your own elderberry syrup. So anyway, appreciate you guys joining. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.
Thanks for watching our video, guys. If you like that, give us a thumbs up. You'll find more videos over here and subscribe down here. Bye-bye. See you next time.